Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Today I'm gonna talk about three important topics in our life. I can start with the first topic. Today I'm gonna talk about a very essential and important character. He is called John Dwyer. This person is so famous all over the world. He is saying that our companies, our leaders are failing us. Why? This is unacceptable and this has to stop. We should correct these wrongs and know how we're gonna choose the right course. In fact, he worked with a talented team. They put many goals, some of them succeeded and the other failed. But I'm here now to tell you what really makes a difference. When he was at university, his manager Andy Grove taught him and invented a very important system. It's called OKRs, Objectives and Key Results. What's and how's. It's a very important system when you are choosing your goals. So we should know how to do the right goals. My manager Andrew Grove told me that we should work goals based on hows and whys. Why did we choose this goal especially? How we're gonna choose this goal and who will help us and why. At the end of the way, if we wanted to be famous or to help people or to get money, OKRs means, objective means our goals, our dreams and our hopes, what we hope to achieve at the end of the way. And key results means our results, if we had succeeded or failed. It's a very important system. So let's know how to choose the right course. Here is Bono, a rock star. He hardly ever uses the system of OKRs, but he used it to wage a global war against poverty and disease. He focused on two things. The first thing is debt cancellation, and the next is universal access to anti-HIV drugs. His job is significant, yeah. Concrete, yes. Action-oriented, sure. And inspirational. This is very important when you choose goals. So when you house with Bono and objectives, let's come to whys and key results. In 1999, Andy Grove introduced the system of OKRs to Google leaders. They have already written down the objective and key results and they use them to a higher purpose. In 2008, a Google founder Pichai wanted to improve the system of Google Chrome and wanted to know if it's a good browser or not. He wanted to know by the number of users. Do you imagine? It's hard to know if Google Chrome is a good browser by the number of users, but he wanted and continued. He moved on and put a plan for 3 years. And the first year, he put a plan for 20 million users. But unfortunately, he got less than 10. And the second year, he didn't lose his hope and continued. He put a plan for 50 million users. It's a great number. But he improved everything and unfortunately too, he got 37, somewhat better. But in the second year, in the third year, he put a plan for 100 million users. He developed everything, developed technology, improved the system and improved the quality, improved and developed everything in Google Chrome. And at the end of the span, he got 111 million users. He is more than what he wanted to get. So that's why we love this story. For now, it's happy ending, but his person chose the right course, continued and didn't lose his hope, and moved on. If we put OKRs in the places, if we put those important things on the places, we can get the top. We can achieve and create new ideas, new things, and we should move on. And we want you to think of your life for a moment now. I want to tell yourself, what do you dream? What do you dream now? What do you hope what the goals and how we're gonna achieve their goals. OKR is a very important system, and to me, I think it's transparent vessels. It's not silver polished. And now let's come to the second topic. It is so essential for especially children. It's about creativity. This topic is so important. In fact, all children are creative, but need someone to help them, to support them and encourage them all the time. They should have told that they are talented. Also, people should believe their talent and respect their skills and ideas. But unfortunately, schools are killing this creativity, and students become to be depressed, discouraged, and feel that they are alone and no one can help them. When they become adults, their creativity is less, and they won't be able to create new things and good ideas as they were in children. But when they were children, they could make mistakes which failure isn't crime at the time. But when they become adult, they become worried about making any mistake in the field of their business. So you should try. You should never be afraid of trying to do new things, create new ideas, as you may achieve success and make a good thing for your community. And now my advice to you, if you have creative children or students, you should care about them and support them with everything to complete the test and never lose hope to last breath. Now let's come to the third topic. It's about cooperation. You want help? Just be silent and listen to me, please. In fact, our community needs some values and laws to be better. Most communities nowadays suffer from the lack of cooperation. We should cooperate together to create a successful community. We should benefit from each other, create new ideas, and respect the variety of things. We should cooperate together to build a strong and successful community, as developed communities are known by their members and in what way they are cooperating together. Don't choose to be alone. Cooperate with other people. Thank you.